Using the Repairit Photo Repair application on Mac is extremely easy, and it can help you fix multiple photos at the same time by following these steps. Upload damaged or corrupted photos. Repair and preview your photos. Save the repaired photos. Step 1. Upload damaged or corrupted photos. At first, just launch Wondershare Repairit on your Mac and go to the More Types Repair section, then choose Photo Repair. Now, click on the Add button to open a browser window, letting you locate and upload your corrupted photos. Step 2. Repair the corrupted photos. After loading the photos, you can view their thumbnail with other details such as their size, resolution, etc. To fix your photos, just click on the Repair button and commence the photo repair process. Wondershare Repairit will inform you once the process is over, letting you preview the results and save your photos. Preview and save the repaired photo. There is a provision to preview the repaired pictures on Repairit before saving them. Just click on the Preview button to check the photo quality on the native interface. You can also directly get the preview of the photo by clicking on its thumbnail. If you're satisfied with the repaired photos, just click the Save button and choose a target path to save the repaired photos. Before saving the repaired photos, you can also choose AI Image Upscaler to enlarge the photos to 2x, 4x, or 8x. Then Repairit will start upscaling the repaired photos with its advanced AI technology. After the photos are enlarged successfully, you can click the Save button to save them on your Mac. Perform an advanced repair. Sample image needed. If the standard photo repairing mode was not able to give the expected results, or the repair process failed, then you can choose the advanced photo repair option instead. On the preview window, you can also go to the bottom panel, and click on the Advanced Repair button to access it. It is worth mentioning, you can also start advanced photo repair after uploading corrupted photos in the first place. The Advanced Repair Mode feature is listed at the bottom section of the application. To perform the advanced photo repair process, users would be asked to add a sample photo. The sample photo should be in the same format as the corrupted photo and shot on the same device as well. Once you have loaded the sample image, click on the Next button to proceed the advanced photo repair process. Kindly wait for a while, as it would take a little more time than the standard process. Similarly, once the advanced photo repair process is over, users can preview their photos by clicking their thumbnails on Repairit. Step 3. Save the repaired photos. In the end, you can just click on the Save button on the preview panel or the previous interface. If you want, you can also select multiple photos and click on the Save All button.